Implementing applications and designs that incorporate PCI Express is becoming more complex. Consider the tasks required to go from product concept to product production. You need tools that help you validate hardware and software functions at the high speeds of PCI Express Gen 1 and Gen 2. And when problems are discovered, you need tools to help you quickly uncover their root cause. Also important are compliance tools to help you pass the PCI SIG Gold Suite testing to help get your product onto the integrators list. The E2960B PCI Express tools from Agilent Technologies deliver your best in-class Generation 1 and 2 protocol analysis, stimulus, compliance, and jamming solutions. The E2960B series includes probing that provides non-intrusive insight, protocol analysis and real-time problem isolation through advanced triggering, deterministic inline error injection for reliability testing, and automated validation of PCIe protocol functions. As an industry leader in the innovation of non-intrusive low-load probe designs, Agilent contributes a wide selection of probing solutions to our PCI Express toolset. These not only address a wide range of application needs and price points, Agilent's probes deliver the industry's highest accuracy and reliability. Agilent's N5315A slot interposer uses an analog repeating design, delivering a faithful representation of the signal on the bus. This design has a much better signal integrity at Gen 2 speeds than passive probe solutions, which can significantly degrade the signal and cause link-up problems. The design of the slot interposer also delivers more accurate representation of bus signals than an active repeater, which distorts the signal and can mask problems in the design. Agilent's slot interposer for Gen 2 PCI Express supports all link widths from BY1 to BY16. For chipset designers or embedded designs, Agilent's mid-bus probe gives critical design insight without influencing it. Plus, with our patented soft touch technology, the mid-bus introduces a very small amount of loading. By offering a selection of multiple widths and layouts, the mid-bus probe ensures probing integrity regardless of the layout constraints of your board. When trying to probe an embedded design with very tight space constraints, or probing a customer's design with little or no room to lay out a mid-bus footprint, Agilent's Flying Lead probe is the perfect solution. And as you'd expect, Agilent's Flying Lead probe offers extremely low capacitive loading, delivering the insight you need without a designed-in connector. If you're not yet working at PCI Express Gen 2 rates, and budget is your biggest concern, then Agilent's PCI Express Gen 1 series of probes is the right fit. Gen 1 probes include slot interposers, mid-bus probes, flying leads, and express card probes. With probing as the critical gateway to successful debugging, Agilent's E2960B series PCIe solution offers you the probing flexibility and signal integrity necessary to ensure minimal signal distortion, low jitter, and compliance to the electrical specifications of PCI Express. As a designer or development engineer implementing or integrating PCI Express technology, the challenge of meeting key deadlines amidst time and cost constraints can seem insurmountable. This is particularly important when part of a team sharing resources and responsibilities in the face of new technology challenges like power management issues or data integrity problems at the higher layer. Agilent's E2960B series PCIe Protocol Analyzer delivers the functionality your team needs, whether you're accessing multiple levels of trigger or need quick analysis of a routine problem. For example, when debugging lower-level problems such as power management, Agilent's Protocol Analyzer can capture and present data to you at the correct level, locking in as little as 3 to 5 fast training sequences. Use the lane or packet views to observe data to find issues associated with entering and exiting out of low power states. For higher layer problems such as data integrity, the transaction viewer lets you observe all of the data from multiple completions together in one location for easy analysis. The analyzer also makes it easy to trigger on a specific condition for routine analysis. Just drag and drop the pattern you're looking for. For more complex problems, Agilent's Protocol Analyzer provides over 20 predefined protocol error triggers to help you isolate even the most elusive system problems. Or if your problem doesn't match one of the analyzer's predefined error triggers, Agilent provides an advanced trigger sequencer for real-time error isolation. Fully customize the layout of a trace and choose the fields you want to see in the format you want to see them in just a few clicks. You can even create a different layout for each type of debugging you do, including LTSSM, transaction layer, power management, speed change, etc. Take a few minutes and you can create a viewer that works the way you do. And when you need to share critical analysis capability with other engineers, Agilent's E2960B series PCIe Protocol Analyzer accommodates all methods and preferences with just a few clicks, enabling each team member to load their layout without disturbing any others. With the number of PCI Express systems, devices, and supported applications growing, so increases the challenge to design more reliable systems able to interoperate with the exploding number of PCI Express devices. Agilent's PCI Express Jammer is a breakthrough for PCIe testing designed to increase test coverage by performing disruptive testing in live systems. The Jammer will help you validate your designs quickly and effectively and increase your test coverage. The result is greater confidence in your product's reliability without costly product recalls. When inserted between two devices, the Jammer is transparent to the PCI Express hierarchy and applications. This allows you to test the real live environment with any operating system, any driver, and any application installed. This transparency also makes the Jammer easy to set up. Just insert into a working system and start testing. Error insertion on the Jammer is controlled through a GUI sequencer with no writing of code or scripts required. Just drag and drop the condition to match and the error to inject. The Jammer can create almost any conceivable error test scenario and can inject all three types of PCI Express errors: correctable, uncorrectable non-fatal, and uncorrectable fatal. To seamlessly move from test to debug, the Jammer also works in conjunction with the Agilent E2960B's PCIe Protocol Analyzer. The Jammer generates the errors and can trigger the analyzer to capture and display the responses. This setup allows you to view the protocol traffic around the error injection to ensure the appropriate recovery mechanism was taken. Agilent's N5323A PCI Express Jammer is the only inline error injection tool in the industry, giving you a head start on your PCIe testing and shortening your test cycles. To completely test the protocol functions of your device is a daunting task, with hundreds of behaviors to check against the requirements of the PCI Express specification. The Exerciser within the Agilent's E2960B series PCI Express test solution reduces this difficulty by providing many predefined tests. Predefined Link Training Status State Machine tests, or LTSSM, can help you quickly validate complex and hard-to-test transitions of the LTSSM in your design. These tests even include new additions to the PCIe 2.0 specification, including dynamic link width changes. The same hardware can also be used to run the PCI SIG Gold Suite protocol compliance through the Protocol Test Card functionality. This same hardware can also be used for the Compliance Assured Test Package, with over 180 compliance test scripts to accelerate the testing of your design. Pass or fail results are clearly identified, with clear log file output to help you identify the cause of failures. Certainly one of the most difficult problems to debug is the data integrity of your device, as problems occur infrequently, often just once every million transactions. The Exerciser within Agilent's E2960B series PCIe test solution reduces this difficulty with a built-in data comparison feature. This helps you automatically compare the results so that you're alerted if any data integrity errors occur overnight or over a 24-hour test run. The Exerciser can be programmed to emulate either the PCIe root complex or the endpoint, or just select a simple drop-down menu to change the behavior. Agilent's Exerciser and compliance tools save you both time and effort in isolating the most difficult protocol issues through automated validation capabilities. With unmatched capabilities and features, Agilent's E2960B series protocol test solution is the most productive tool of its kind in meeting the increasing design challenges presented by today's advanced PCI Express-based applications. The Jammer, Exerciser, and compliance applications together provide the industry's widest test coverage through more comprehensive automated compliance and error recovery test. Plus, the protocol analyzer with superior signal probing, real-time problem isolation through advanced triggering, and user-designed GUI simplifies your most complex work. Call your Agilent account manager for a demonstration of any of these PCI Express products today.